Kensa have come up with this amazing technology where what we exert as energy, heat, sweat, whatever you want to call it, that allows that heat to be transferred and to heat the stadium. It's phenomenal. And what I've got here is one of the pads, and this is really expensive too, so often the best place to put it is right on the heart, because that's what we're all about.
At the moment we've got a few competitions going with the lads. Forwards at the moment we've got the S&C looking at the stats, and we're using it to also see who's heating the stadium the most. At the moment we've got our top leader, I've been told, is Josh. He's currently heating Tony Rowe's office as we speak.
My wife is actually thinking about getting these same pads put on our kids, so when they run around, you know, at home, and they're transferring that same kind of energy for the heat, you know, we're going to get to be able to heat the sauna, the hot tub, the pool, you know, all the things that just require heat in the house.
Very good.
By the way, we also, Alfie, no, just get out of shot, please. You're in the camera.
Hi, I'm Alfie. I'm the Director of Sports Science here at Exeter Chiefs. So training sessions like this are really key to help heat up Sandy Park. So what we're doing now, we're using this device here to help monitor and capture some of that energy during the training session, as making tackles, making big collisions, generating more energy to keep our fans nice and warm during the day.
I know it's just for heating the tech, but I think they may have created something that's so good. I was walking past the other day and the guys were doing a bleep test, right? And the office that I was in, one of the light bulbs actually blew, because I think there was so much energy going to the heat that it actually transferred via Wi-Fi or whatever it is, and it made the light bulb blow up. Like, that's how advanced what's going on here is.
Obviously we wear the belts and GPSs, but this will be a new item you'll see on the lads. You know, if it's going to bring efficiency to the club, then you know, we're all for it, aren't we?
Yeah,
so.
I mean, I know that there's been a lot of stuff going about solar and how amazing the sun is, how much heat that gives off, but you know, Kensa is the future. You know, you've got Elon Musk going with Starlink and all that kind of stuff. Nonsense. They've got nothing on where this is going to take the world. Renewable energy, carbon neutral isn't even a thing. We don't even want to be zero. We're going to be carbon positive, if that's the right term. Negative.
Yeah.
40 watts of energy is required per square meter. The Chief Suite requires 48 kilowatts. So based on a team of 15, each player is roughly going to have to produce 3 kilowatts of energy to heat the Chief Suite. So as of next week, we're going to be the first stadium in the world that is going to produce heated seats based on the player's output.
You know, for the future, it's going to shape the world tomorrow.
We're going to be having to walk around here with a
Exactly.
chainsaw chopping down the grass because it's growing so quickly.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it's so rich in what it needs.
Power left, right and rhubarb, very good.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.